You are welcome to World Digital Skilling Oneself YouTube channel. In one of my previous tutorials, I taught you how to create a business card using a business app. But due to some inconveniences, I would like to teach you how to create a business card using Pixellab. Pixellab is a powerful graphic design app used in designing many things. So if you observe keenly this business card, it has what we call the QR code. It's a technology that permits one to be reachable. Okay, it's a recent technology. So, but with the other app, we cannot insert a QR code like this. So this one is so beautiful, easily customizable, and you can insert anything that you want. So I'm going to take you straight away into the practicality part of it. So we'll dive straight to Pixellab. We'll look for the app Pixellab. Pixellab, okay, this Pixellab. I click on it, it loads. So I delete this, I won't use this. So we click here, these three dots. We set the image size. Here we put it to the size of a business card. It's 91:61. It's very important. You see, are we seeing the shape now of the business card coming? We set the image size to 90, the width 91, height 61. That's one of the secrets in creating a business card in Pixellab. Okay, so most of you might have difficulties in handling Pixellab. I will be coming up with a tutorial on how to display, to show you all the functionalities of Pixellab. Okay, that said and done, we'll start by designing our various shapes. Okay, I will click here. I'll click on shapes. Choose the shape that I want. Okay, I've chosen the shape that I want. Okay, I will glide down here. The radius, I will try to work on the radius. The radius is the edges. I want to make the edge look a little bit round. So that's why I'm working on the radius. Okay, the fill color, I will choose the fill color black. Okay, if you observe now, you discover that the edges now are a little bit curved. Okay, that's the importance of this radius up here. Okay, I will explain that in my next tutorial. So I have the color black, but I'll first of all change this background, this initial background, to red, so that I start having the desired color of my good. So, and this is the shape that I've taken. I will rotate it like this. I'll try to expand it. Okay, I'll position it here at this end. Yes, here. I will make a copy of it by clicking this pen here. Click on this. Okay, so this other one, I will change this color. Change this color to orange. It's the color palette here. I'll change it to orange to have something similar to what I showed you. No, I think that's for the background. I have to put back the background to red. So I select this. Okay, change it to orange. So orange is not that much beautiful. Okay, yes, this one is beautiful. So I'll place it. Observe the design. Observe what I'm doing. Observe keenly. See how beautiful it is. Okay, I'm designing. I'll see copy this. I'll click, it's highlighted, so I'll click on this pencil, copy it. Now I'll change this one into white. I'm trying to replicate what I showed you earlier. Okay, I'll come here, choose color white. Good. And now I'll replicate this. I'll click on it, I'll replicate it. I will put now color black for this one. So I'm trying to design what I showed you earlier. Black. Good. I'll try to expand this. I'll still copy this again. I'll copy this. But this time around, I will change this to color orange. Yes. I'll put it above here. I'm the one deciding on how to design my complementary card. So that's what I said with this one. That's what I said with this. As with this Pixellab, you can customize your business card the way you want. Okay. Yes. And I'll duplicate this again. Put it red. Change the color to red. It's the design that I want. Okay, are we seeing it coming? Are we seeing the design that I showed you earlier coming? This is what I showed you before. Are you seeing? So I'm trying to replicate this. So let's get back to work. Okay. Now let me show you a different secret. That's for you to beautify it. We'll try to work. Let's work on it. Shadow. We'll give it a shadow. So all those shapes, we'll give it a shadow 10. Give it a shadow, radius 10, as to make it look original, lively. Okay, we'll click white. Give it a shadow. Of 10. Good. If you observe, you discover that the shapes are overlaying on the others, and it gives a feeling of originality. Okay. See, look at this direction. Look here and here. You discover there's a difference, right? Yeah, it looks original. Okay, so I will do same here too. With this, I will give a shadow to it. Shadow, do same. Yes, 10. Also do same here. Give a shadow. Okay, 10. Do same. Are you seeing? It looks now so beautiful. So this is our front view. That's for easy. Let's ease our work. We'll save this. Save this normally as, let me say, BC. Okay, tutorial front page. So this will be our front page. We'll save. Okay, and now I will still resave it again. I will say BC business card back page. Why am I saving this one? Back page. Back view or back view or back page. Why am I saving this? So that we will not start redesigning back all of this. Okay, yes. And now to ease our work, I brought in already the handles that we are going to use. So make sure that you have your handles, like we have to call send messages, for location, and we have the QR code already. This is the QR code of what we'll be using. So they are already there. So I've imported them with the icons already to ease our work. So let's work now on them. So I'll start inserting them one by one. Okay, I will start with the location icon. See, this is black. Okay, I just imported the location icon. I will equally import the others. I'll import this, that of the call, bring it to the, I will equally import that of messages, and now I'll equally import the icon I'll be using. Yes, this is the logo. That's that I'll be using. That's for the company. Okay, so now I'll start inserting informations. For example, here the telephone number. I'll insert the telephone number. Okay, I finished keying the number, so I have to resize it now. I have to resize the number. Come here to size, resize it, click, resize the number, put it to 15. I'll try to adjust it here. I'll equally adjust the shape, adjust it, and now at the end we'll show you how to use rulers in Pixellab. As I earlier said, I will come up with a tutorial to show you the interface of Pixellab and explain all the functionalities to you. So this is the telephone number, for example. I can keep that handwriting. I'll just copy this and paste here. Easy. Now change the information here. Here is the restaurant name is Doom V's at, that's the Gmail of the restaurant, at gmail.com. Okay, and now the location, I'll copy this again here, paste. See, white color is good on black. The white font is good on black. So here the location is Mobile Olezoa let's say Yaoundé. That's where the restaurant is. Mobile Olezoa Yaoundé. Okay, and now at this level, now I'll have to type the name of the owner of the restaurant, who is the other person than Doom Evangeline. So now I have to change the color because it's white. Come now here, I'll change the color, put it to black, but now I'll come now, I'll select Evangeline, I'll give it the color orange. So I've selected Evangeline, I'll select it, I'll highlight Evangeline here and change it here easily. I said I will come up with a tutorial to show you how to manipulate Pixellab so well, so be patient enough. Observe what I'm doing. I'm sure you're jotting down. Okay, you see, so it's beautiful. So that's the name of the owner. Okay, Doom Evangeline. I will quickly try to resize it. You can put it to 30. 30. Now I adjust it. The movement keys here, I adjust it, I place it like this. Okay, and now what's the name? What is the name of the restaurant? So I'll type the name of the restaurant. Dooms Fees Doom Fees Fees Cuisine. Dooms V Cuisine. Okay, I'll change the font color to black as well. Good. So now this is a logo. The logo of the company. Let me bring it down, of the cuisine, bring it down a little bit. So now the motto, I'll click on it. Now I want to type the motto of the restaurant. Every meal is a blessing. Okay, so now I will try to increase the font size of Dome V Cuisine. Change the color. I will use the motto, the size of the motto. You know, the company name has to be bigger than the motto. That one is a normal phenomenon. If you're still new in this, you can join. There will be a link at the descriptive part of this that you can get into my free digital platform where I teach at times freely, and I equally have premium classes. So I will change the font of this. I can change its font size. I can change its font. Come here to font. Look for a beautiful font. Take this. Okay, Bohemian Soul is a very good font. Okay, so as to beautify the work. Okay, so I'll adjust the name. To bring this other information down, I have to put the role of Evangeline. I have to put the role of Evangeline. Okay, now this is just the name of the cuisine. What is her role? General manager. Type here, general manager. General manager. And you know, there is what we call align. To align well, we have to align. As a graphic designer, you have to align well. Yes, you have to align. So I'll put general manager in black. the name of the company, or bring up the name of the company. I call it, take the slogan, I'll bring it up, bring the slogan. I call it, have to align this. I call it, have to align this. Yes. Now I call it, take this, try to center it, and now I bring our famous logo here. Let's try to centralize it here. Okay, how is it? It's becoming beautiful, right? So now I will call it import. I'll import now the QR code. I import it. What's happened to our QR code? Let me check. Check the color of the QR code. Something has happened to the QR code. Let me try to import it again. Okay, I've just imported our QR code. I have to resize it. Resize it to 10. Resize it to 10. Yes, I resize it to 10. I'll place it somewhere here. So it all depends on you. All depends on you. I'm pretty fast because I don't want the tutorial to be so long, lengthy. When it's so lengthy, it will be boring. So if it is your first time watching my tutorial, I advise you to like, click on the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and equally keep your comments. I hope you are enjoying the skill. Okay, this is a very premium skill, and a business card like this costs a lot. So permit me say this is the front view of our business card. You have to make sure that you keep on saving, save the changes. And now we had saved this pattern still. We had saved this pattern. So for us to get to it, we click project here, visit here, we click yes. So this is what we saved earlier in order not to redesign this. So here now we will key in information at the back part here. Okay, let me type dooms V's cuisine try to resize it. I'm creating something similar to what I showed you at the beginning of the tutorial. It's a replica of it, but now I'm going pretty fast. There will be a link. I'll put a descriptive part of this tutorial. If you have any difficulties, you can get to me directly. So I want to beautify this. Click on shape, take a shape here. I'll work or increase the radius. I said the radius is meant to curve the edges. I hope you remember that. And I'll stroke it. Stroke it to 3. Stroke it is the thickness of the lines at the edges. I'll stroke it. Set to 4. Yes. And now curve it. I'll edit it now. Edit it. Opacity. I'll bring it to 0. That should be transparent. Okay. But now the color stroke now will be white. Because we know white is good on black. Good. So I'm designing something to beautify beautify the business card. So I'll set it here. The movement keys, the arrow movement keys here. Set it something similar to what I created before. Yes, like this. It's beautiful, right? I'm trying to design what I showed to you earlier. Okay. Now insert here the slogan. This is the back view. Every meal is a blessing. What is the slogan? You know the slogan has to be smaller than the title of the company. Put it to 10. I'm going pretty fast in order not to eat your time. I hope you are gaining values. So make sure you have subscribed to the YouTube channel in order to always receive our updates. Okay. And I'll continue typing again. I'll type the name of the manager, Don Angeline. Put it black color. Come down here, select Angeline. Put it in orange. Try to resize it. So we call it the motto. Here I'll import the logo as well. Okay, I've imported the logo. I'll try to place it up according to the design that I did earlier. Place it up, and I'll bring this information down. And now again, I'll import the QR code. I'll try to centralize it. Make sure that you save your work, save changes. Okay, so this is the back part of our business complementary card, as I earlier showed you. And now I click here. I'll show you the front view. This is the front view. They'll say, are you sure you want to open the project? Say yes. So this is the front view of our complementary card. You see how beautiful the complementary card is. So this is the front view, and now this is the back view of the complementary card. So we will save it. We will save format PNG, dimension. You take Ultra, you save. You do same for the both views. Now I'm saving the back view. Okay, I've saved the front view. Now I will equally do same for the back view. This is the back. I will save. I'll click on save here. Save as image. I'll choose GP. I'll choose PNG, which is the best. I'll choose dimension Ultra. I will save. When you save now, you go to your gallery. You will see your complementary card there that has been downloaded. So at the end, you have something like this. But what you are seeing here is a mock-up of the complementary card. So a mock-up helps to beautify our designs. So if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, I will advise you to click on the like button, turn on the notification bell as well, such a way that whenever we upload new tutorial, you'll be the first to have them. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm observing you. Verify if you have subscribed. If you haven't yet subscribed, click on the subscribe button found just below this tutorial. I thank you very much. In our next tutorial, I will teach you how to manipulate Pixellab if you have difficulties, and there will be a link at the descriptive part that you can contact me if you have any difficulty, and I will equally send the link of the Pixellab that you can use, this app that you can use to design many things. And we equally have many trainings that we are having, so you can click on the link and get to me and know more about graphic designing. Thank you for watching my tutorial on the hero's room. Was the CEO of World Digital by name Walter Ndom. See you in my next tutorial.